In general, the Sonos app on iPhones and Android phones is pretty intuitive, and the best way to get the most out of your system is to just proactively play with the app and learn how it works. However, here are some quick tips and tricks that most people find very helpful. If you already have a Sonos system and are adding another piece, tap the Settings tab in the bottom right corner of the app, choose System, and click Add Product and follow the instructions. To make sure you get the best sound out of each speaker in your Sonos system, head to the Settings tab in the bottom right of the app, click System, select your room, and choose True Play. For best performance, tune all the speakers in your system and retune them if you move them. If the bass is too high or you don't like the sound, you can change the EQ settings yourself. Choose Settings, then System, then select your room, and then choose EQ. At Audio Advice, we generally set volume limits on speakers for our customers. You can do this on your Sonos, which will ensure no one accidentally damages your speakers. Go to Settings, System, select your room, and then set the volume limit. If you're really into music the way it was meant to be heard, you can create a stereo pair out of two of the same Sonos speakers in a room. This will work with two Sonos Ones, Sonos One SL, Play 1, Sonos Move, Play 3, Play 5, or Sonos 5. Just go to Room Settings and create the stereo pair. If you're having trouble, give us a call at Audio Advice or chat with our team. If you want to expand your Sonos system to enable it to play to your traditional stereo system, you can use the Sonos Port to connect it. The Sonos Port has coax digital audio outputs, analog, as well as line in, allowing you to connect any device you want, from a turntable to a DAC. If you want to connect to a turntable, go over to audioadvice.com and watch our video on connecting a turntable to Sonos. Make sure your Sonos system is always running the latest software. Sonos delivers regular software updates, some of which are small and some of which are pretty big updates. To enable updates automatically, go to the Settings tab in the bottom right of the app, click System, System Updates, and turn on Automatic Updates. You can also choose what time of day you want the updates to take place. If you have a Sonos device in your bedroom, you likely will want to turn off the LED. To do that, go to the Settings tab, choose System, select your room, and turn off the status light. You can even turn off touch controls here as well if you so desire. If you like using the touch controls, double tap your play pause button and it will skip to the next track without opening the app. If you have the second generation Sonos Play 5, Play Bass, Sonos One, Sonos Beam, Sonos One SL, Sonos Move, Sonos 5, or even Sonos Arc, a swipe to the left will play the previous track, while a swipe to the right will skip forward to the next one. A press and hold of the play and pause button will mute the speaker temporarily for you. To get Sonos volume control on your Android device, tap on the three dots in the bottom right, choose Settings, Advanced Settings, allow volume control on home screen. To get Sonos volume control on your iOS device, tap on Settings, choose App Preferences, and toggle on lock screen controls. I hope you've enjoyed this tips and tricks. If you've got other questions, feel free to jump over to audioadvice.com, chat with us, or give us a call. Thanks for supporting Audio Advice, and hope this has been helpful.